In the heart of New York City, a unique identifier thrives, the 347 area code. It's more than just numbers, it's an identity. Spanning across Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, and the Bronx, the 347 code links diverse communities. It serves as an invisible bond, connecting millions. Introduced as a relief measure, it shares the stage with 718 and 929 codes. Together, they form a complex web, managing the city's telecommunications. Each phone call, each text, every connection made is powered by this numeric trio. The 347 code is the city's lifeblood, pulsating with activity. But it's not just about telecommunications. It's about the people, the businesses, the cultures it knits together. The 347 code reflects the city's vibrant diversity. So next time you dial a 347 number, remember, you're not just making a call. You're tapping into the heartbeat of New York City. Teloz, your business, connected.